Hello everybody, it's Yongxin Hu. Welcome back to Who's Kitchen. You guys have been constantly asking me about something quick, something fast, something really delicious at the same time. Today, I'm going to give you this recipe. It's my version of the traditional Beijing noodles. Let's get everything started straight away. I got everything chopped and ready to go here. So I'm gonna show you all. We got 2 spring onions chopped and about 150 grams of normal mushroom and chopped. And we got 4 garlic cloves finely chopped and about 2 tablespoons of ginger slices here. Then we have 200 grams of pork mince here, and you can use beef mince and pork mince, mixed mince, whatever mince you want to use. The reason I'm using pork mince for this dish is because pork mince is slightly softer than beef mince after it's cooked and it tastes slightly better, so that's why I'm using this. Also, I got some cucumber slices, and I still have some homegrown bean sprouts here. So if you want to know how to grow your own bean sprouts at home, I'll pop the link above. You can check it out. And also, today we are going to use, honestly, any noodles can do. And I have some wheat noodles here, and you can use this, no problem at all. Or I also have some dried egg noodles, so you can use dried egg noodles, dried wheat noodles, you can use ramen for these. I mean, there are hundreds of different types of noodles out there, and as long as it's your favorite noodles, you can try with the sauce and all the recipes are provided. Traditionally, we'll use either egg noodles or wheat noodles. The first thing I'm going to show you will be how to make the sauce, and also the most important part of this dish. Let's move to the hob. I'm going to fry the pork mince first. I'm going to quickly turn on the heat and put in some oil. About 2 tablespoons of oil. So vegetable oil, olive oil, doesn't matter. Once the pan warmed up, we are going to put in our pork mince. And here we are going to drop the heat down to low. And we are going to slowly fry them. You will notice there will be more oil appear in the pan, because that's what we want. And also, while we use low heat fry pork, we want some oil out of the pork to become part of the sauce. Once the most of pork has changed color, we are going to add in 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine. Then we are going to add in ginger, garlic, spring onion. After about a minute, we are going to add in all the mushroom. And here I'm going to turn the heat to medium-low, and I'm going to add in some salt. Mix all in. Once everything is soft, we are going to add in 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, then we are going to add in 5 tablespoons of soybean paste, to give everything a good mix. So I have 1 tablespoon of corn flour and 100 milliliters of water. So it's tap water will do. And I just mix them together. And I'm gonna pour into the saucepan. And once the sauce is thick, we are going to turn off the heat and let the sauce to cool. So you can use this sauce either cold or hot, doesn't matter. And also I made it enough for up to 4 people. And I'm gonna let my sauce actually cool on the side for a little bit. And also I'll put on some cucumbers later. So if the sauce is too hot, all the cucumber is gonna go nasty. So I will let my sauce cool a little bit, and at the same time I'm going to boil my noodles. Here I got my noodles ready, sauce ready, cucumber ready, and the bean sprouts ready. I'm going to put everything in my bowl, and basically I'm going to plate it up. Yum. Here is my homemade, my version of traditional Beijing noodles. So nice. So the next step is not going to be pretty anymore, because I'm going to mix everything together. Then I'm going to try it. My noodles has been mixed, and as I said, it won't look pretty, but I think it looks actually pretty. Now, I'm gonna try some just for you. Go a little bit everything, and let me give it a try. Oh wow, literally. Wow, it's so delicious. Oh my god, so tasty. It's literally the flavor I remembered when I was in Beijing. I definitely recommend you guys give it a try. It's so good, honestly. It's so simple to make, so fast to make. Why don't you give it a try? I'm going to finish my food. Don't forget, like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. If you want to know what's going on or what amazing idea, what amazing recipe I'm gonna give you, tap the notification bell. I will see you next Friday. Bye!